Whether in welding, cutting or grinding, harmful dusts are always produced. As well as personal safety equipment products, Kemper produces extraction and filtration systems for the metal processing industry. A clean and safe working environment has the highest priority for the family-owned company based in Welding. During welding or cutting, fine dusts are released which will penetrate the lungs and cause severe health problems or even cancer. Today, modern cutting systems need to ensure a clean working environment. Therefore, Kemper's high technical standard guarantees safety at work and environmental protection. Kemper, as a leading manufacturer of extraction systems, is aware of its responsibility for a clean and safe working environment. In 1977, Kemper started to develop, produce and distribute extraction and filtration systems for welding. Soon the company played an important role in the market of fume extraction. Today, Kemper is the market leader in Germany and many other European countries. At 3 locations, hundreds of employees are manufacturing high-quality products for safety at work and environmental protection. Kemper products are distributed worldwide, managed by own international sales divisions and several distribution partners. Kemper's objective is to open up new international markets with innovative products. A successful course in the field of industrial safety and environmental protection.